If you need an easy dinner that doesn't use a million dishes, this lemon chicken and rice is going to be your favorite. Hi, I'm Carrie, mom of 8, and I've been making recipes professionally for over 14 years. And our expertise is budget-friendly recipes. Today, we are going to make this lemon chicken, and I'm obsessed with lemon right now. And the reason is because lemon is such a great budget-friendly hack to season your chicken, make it feel fresh and light while still saving a ton of money. You can grab the full recipe in the description or go to eatingonadime.com. Let's get cooking. My favorite part about this recipe is there is no prepping. We're heading right to the skillet. In a large skillet, melt butter, about 4 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Once the butter is melted, add in your chicken to the pan. We're gonna let this brown over medium-high heat for about 3 minutes per side. I'm doing boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm leaving them whole, but if you want this to cook even faster, you could cut up the chicken into bite-sized pieces. The seasonings are really simple. We're gonna start with a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of dried basil, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of salt. Now it's time to flip. You can see I'm getting that beautiful brown color on there. That's what we want. So I'm gonna flip every single chicken. Now a little tip is to make sure you watch your heat. Keep it on that medium-high heat and then lower it if your chicken starts to burn. I'm usually one of those people that gets really impatient and wants to crank it up to high. Don't do that. Another question that we often get is, should I season both sides of the chicken? I don't think you need to on this. You just do one side because we're making a sauce. So the seasoning is gonna get throughout the entire dish. So I don't think it's necessary. Okay, once it's brown on the other side, remove it. Remember, this chicken doesn't have to be cooked right now. It's actually not going to be cooked. We're getting the brown on it. So we get color on the chicken, but it makes the sauce taste amazing. Now add in your garlic. We are doing minced garlic. You can also use your clove garlic. We're gonna cook this for 30 seconds until you can smell the garlic. Then add 3 cups of chicken broth. You can do water, but I really love the flavor chicken broth brings. Then add in 1.5 cups of long grain rice. So this isn't minute rice or quick rice. I just wanted to make it clear that it's the rice that's in the bag. So it's very inexpensive, budget friendly, and it cooks up in no time. Now it's time to zest. If you've never zested before, you just need one of these. It's very inexpensive. If you don't have this, you could also use just a regular cheese grater, but you just gently rub to get that bright yellow off, and then just move it around. You'll see it accumulate here, and after you've done it for a while, you can just scrape it off right into the pan. Now a lot of people will say, is it really worth it? Yes, this brings so much flavor, and you're already using a lemon, so you might as well. But see, look at all this. All this flavor goes right into the sauce. Action. Now we're going to juice that same lemon right into the sauce. So I love my lemon juicer. It's so inexpensive. I mean, you can even get them at the dollar store now. But it adds so much flavor. But look at all that juice that I got out. I'm gonna do a quick stir and then add that chicken right back in. Just right on top of that rice. The chicken does not have to be covered, so don't worry about that. And if any juice came from that chicken, make sure you dump that right into. Go ahead and turn it up to high so we can bring this to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add the lid and reduce the heat to low. We're gonna let this cook for 20 to 25 minutes. Dun, 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 dun. It's been about 20-25 minutes, and you'll know that it's ready because the rice is nice and fluffy. Now we just gotta check the chicken. I use a digital meat thermometer and just press it right into the middle of the thickest part of the chicken and make sure it reads at least 165 degrees. This one does, so we are ready to eat. Now one more little tip is when the rice is nice and fluffy, you wanna go ahead and taste it. Let me get a smaller bite, just to make sure that it's cooked completely through and it's soft and fluffy. Perfect. Okay, my favorite part. Eating it. I like to just serve it with like a roasted vegetable, but another little tip, you can actually throw in some frozen veggies in here when you put that chicken back in. So when you throw in the rice, and it'll all cook up and you'll have everything in one pot. Let's serve it up. I just can't wait. I just keep diving into it. The rice is so fluffy. It has so much flavor. You can also serve it with some more fresh lemons if you want and serve some on top, but I feel like there's a lot of lemon flavor. It's really, really good. Now, I went to grab a knife, but I didn't need to. It is fork tender. It's so easy to eat. It's delicious. Let's go for a bite. It's so good. There's no reason that you can't make dinner. This is easy. It's affordable, it's a one pot, and it's loaded with flavor. Remember, you can grab the full recipe linked in the description. And if you love our easy budget-friendly recipes, make sure you watch this next video.